Paragraph formation, our next chapter for verbal ability. More than your knowledge of vocabulary, grammar and English, paragraph formation will test your reading skills. How well you can read the sentences and find the logical sequence of the events that are described in the paragraph. Let's look at some examples to understand this concept. Rearrange the following 5 sentences in proper sequence so as to form a meaningful paragraph. First sentence, after examining him, the doctor smiled at him mischievously and took out a syringe. Second sentence, thinking that he was really sick, his father summoned the family doctor. Third sentence, that day, Mintu wanted to take a day off from school. Fourth sentence, immediately Mintu jumped off from his bed and swore that he was fine. Fifth sentence, therefore he pretended to be sick and remained in bed. Now after reading out the sentences and forming the logical sequence of events, we can see that the first event is that day Mintu wanted to take a day off from school. Second is therefore he pretended to be sick and remained in bed. Third, thinking that he was really sick, his father summoned the family doctor. Fourth, after examining him, the doctor smiled at him mischievously and took out a syringe. Then finally, fifth, immediately Mintu jumped off from his bed and swore that he was fine. Now here the most important tip is to find the first sentence of the paragraph, and to find that you have to look at the subject about whom the paragraph is speaking. Now here the subject is Mintu, so you have to focus on those sentences who are mentioning Mintu. Let's look at another example. In his literacy work, he spoke of that province of human life which where intellect does not speak. Second sentence, he has also given innocent joy to many children by his stories like Kabuliwala. Third sentence, these songs are sung not only in Bengal but all over the country. Fourth sentence, Rabindranath's great works sprang from intensity of vision and feelings. Fifth sentence, he sang of beauty and heroism, nobility and charm. Now here to find the first sentence, we have to focus on the subject about whom this paragraph is speaking. And here the subject is Rabindranath. So let's pick the first sentence as the sentence which is mentioning the name Rabindranath. That is sentence 4. Rabindranath's great works sprang from intensity of vision and feelings. So here the first sentence is ending with the focus on his great work. So the next sentence will begin with the focus on his work. And the next sentence is, in his literacy work, he spoke of that province of human life which where intellect does not speak. Then the next sentence is, he has also given innocent joy to many children by his stories like Kabuliwala. This is adding to the informations about his literacy work. Then as we see the remaining 2 sentences, we see that these 2 sentences are focusing on the songs that he has written. So out of these, the first sentence would be the sentence which focuses on the writer's songwriting skills, which says, he sang of beauty and heroism, nobility and charm. Then the next sentence will be, these songs are sung not only in Bengal but all over the country. So the last sentence is adding informations to the previous one. Hence, this is the right sequence that forms the paragraph. These are the examples for your understanding about paragraph formation.